I'm here at the Caden model by Pulte Homes. Let's go check it out.
The Caden model is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with the primary suite upstairs and a guest room downstairs, with 2-car garage in the rear at 2,231 square feet of living space. This home is part of the Ember bungalow series and will be built on 34-foot lots. The downstairs guest room has a shared full bathroom with the main living area of the home and is 10 by 10 with standard closet. The kitchen is open to the gathering room and has a working island that comes with a double sink and dishwasher. The living and dining room are a combined 22 by 24 feet of living space. The step-in pantry is located under the stairs, and this model's been upgraded with storage from the Container Store. The Grow is an agrihood community that's located in East Orlando's Upper East Side. There is direct access to the garage from the dining area, which we'll show at the end of this video. Upstairs, you'll find the 13 by 13 loft, which offers an additional living space and a feature that some of the other models don't. The primary suite has separated walk-in closets and an attached bath with double sink vanity and walk-in shower. At 12 by 15 square feet, this room is spacious and inviting. The Ember series offer the most affordable single-family home options in the Grow at this time. So if you're looking for your first home or a brand new home in a great neighborhood starting in the mid-400s, then these may be the homes for you. Publix grocery store is less than 2 miles away, and it's only a 15-minute drive to nearby shopping and restaurants at Waterford Lakes Town Center. Make sure to check out our other home tours for the Grow and the surrounding area. Now, what makes this model special is the separation it has between the primary and the guest rooms. The entrance from the loft could have a door outfitted to the space to give it additional privacy and truly separate it from the rest of the home. This first guest room is 10 by 10 with a walk-in closet, while the other 2 rooms are 10 by 11 with standard closets. They have a full shared bath with room for a single sink. Now be honest, it didn't look like this home had 5 bedrooms in it from the outside, but what a great use of space inside. Lots of windows throughout let in the natural light in every room, from the loft and bedrooms to the laundry and primary toilet room. And the 2-car garage has extended space on one side, offering additional room for storage.
If you're interested in seeing this model home or any others in the Central Florida area, give our team a call. Make sure to check out the TestonTeam.com website for more information on purchasing new construction homes and what buyers should look for.